Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face on your watch. So let's get started. First thing to mention before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Hama Fit Move application for this to work. So pair the devices together, and once you're done, we can continue and we can open the Hama Fit Move application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Here we can tap to device, or on device rather, to go to the device page, and you should see your Smartwatch 7020 right here at the device page, basically saying it's connected. And under it you will see watch face market. Tap on more to open the market, and here look for the category called photo, and on it or in it you will see this watch face. And basically we need to tap on it, and here we can set up our custom watch face. We can add the photo, we can change some features or color for the features and stuff like that. So first let's add the photo, and you have two options. You have select from album or camera. Select from album basically allows you to choose the picture from your phone that is already on your phone. A camera option allows you to take a picture and use it as a watch face, and I'm gonna show you both. So first let's select from album, allow the required permissions, and we'll open the photo app. I'm gonna select can I select download? Looks like I can't. Oh no, I can. Download folder, and here let's say I want this photo. You can select multiple as well, so select one or two. No, you can select only one, never mind. On some watches you can select multiple. For this one apparently we can select two. Okay, so it does work. And now we can crop the image. Basically the whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so we need to zoom in, zoom out, and position the picture the way we want it to be. And once you're done, tap on finish, and here we have our picture and preview. And if you want to use the camera option, you tap on camera, tap on allow the permission, and then take a picture. And once you take a picture, come on, focus, okay, you can then tap on check mark, crop it, and then you can tap on finish, and here we have our picture. So select the picture you like, and once you're done, you can customize it a bit. You can change the color of the feature, so the one data at the top. Color of the time. You can also change the position of the time, and you can change the feature. So we can tap on edit and change the feature right here. For example, steps. Finish, and then we can tap on install to install the watch face. And once it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch. Like this. One thing to correct is that even though it allows you to select multiple pictures, which I don't think it does, it's just weird. Yeah, it won't let you select multiple pictures. It was a bug, I think. So you can't select multiple pictures on this watch. You can only select one, which is a bit a bummer, because some watches allow you to select multiple, up to 10, for example, and then you can cycle between them. So you can have like a multiple watch faces, which you won't get bored as quickly as you would with only one. And of course, you can also see this list right here used. So previously used watch faces will save here, and you can quickly come back to them if you want to. So that's one saving grace for this. And if you want to change the watch face, of course, you can tap right here, update to device, and will be updated and applied. Like this. Okay, so that's about all when it comes to custom watch faces. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.